What is up, fam? Welcome back to Leslie's Tarot. This reading here is for my Scorpio zodiac signs. Let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what messages come in for you, Scorps. Sorry for the late uploads, y'all. My kids been all over the place. And I be trying not to disturb y'all too much with the kids in the background. Let's see. We're going to dive in. Let's see what's going on. What's coming in for Scorpio? One more shuffle. Get me in this chair because this chair is just not where it's at. Like, I hate this uncomfortable chair. But what's coming in for Scorpio spirit? I can't sit at my desk the way I want to. What's coming in for Scorpios? What's coming in for Scorpios? All right, so we got young female, youthful music, fashion. Okay, so some of y'all could be like changing up the music you listen to. Maybe it's like a new song or something like that comes on. Y'all could be changing up. Like maybe you're going from like R&B to rap, country to pop, something like that. Okay, some of y'all are. I see you also like changing your fashion. So you could be changing up your hairstyle, the colors that you wear, your clothes. Maybe you're changing up your style of shoes. Something like that could be significant. You could also be looking more youthful in your energy. Okay. You know, like not as many wrinkles, or like you just give off like a younger energy. You could be someone that's coming out very younger. Like when people look at you, they'd be like, oh wow, like you're how old? There's no way. You don't even look that age. That type of thing, right? Now if this isn't you, then you could have a young female energy coming towards you here. Bottom of the deck is triangle. So be careful of like somebody trying to put you in a third party situation. Okay, now you could be the person with the third party situation. You got multiple choices in love. But I feel like this is a young feminine energy coming towards you that's trying to put you in a third party. So be careful of that. All right. Now some of y'all just look so good, and you got this new swag about you, new style about you, that you got people interested in you. You got more than one. Okay, tell me what's coming in for Scorpios. All right, 2 cards popped out. We have dating queens. Okay, so some of y'all definitely are dating many options, or you got opportunities coming in. If this is dates, you're going to have plenty of options coming in towards you. They want to date you. They want to take you out. They're interested in you. Excuse me. They like the change that you have. You could also be attracting younger people. If you're masculine, you could be attracting younger feminines. If you're into females, you could be attracting more feminines as well, female on female. And if you are this female energy, you could just be attracting more people because you look younger and stuff like that. Now, this doesn't have to be dates either. This could be like invitations. Some of y'all are getting invited out to like abundant opportunities. Like you would go somewhere and then it would bring a lot of joy to you. It could help you to network where you meet other people. It's just abundance energy. Like this gives me, dating queen gives me like, you got 3 different friends coming towards you. One person wants to take you out on a date. The other person wants to go to goat carts. And the other person wants to go to maybe movie night or something like that. So you can have multiple opportunities coming in. People inviting you different places. Okay. We have wallflower. Limited potential, shine, withholding. You could be holding back from somebody or feel the need to hold back from a person. Okay. You could be shy. You could be getting invited out places and you're shy, like you're shying away, or you feel like, oh, like if you go places, you tend to like sit in the corner, or you don't want to be noticed. Okay, it's like you don't want a lot of attention on you, but you're getting it, type of thing. So you could be like, oh my gosh, like can y'all just like chill out for a little bit? Like no, that type of thing. Some of y'all are going to be holding back. Yeah. And then I see brunette female. Now, some of you got somebody either focus on you, this brunette female energy. This could be somebody with dark hair, like somebody could have melanated skin. Somebody could be like foreign descent, Hispanic, Arabic, tan skin, something like that. This person could be like heavily focused on you. It could be like a very intense connection that they have towards you. But I also feel like, Scorpio, if this is you, you're very intense. You come off very intense. You're very focused on something, okay? Very focused, very driven on something. Some of y'all could be dyeing your hair dark as well. What else is coming towards Scorpio? What else is coming towards my Scorpios? One more. What else is coming towards Scorpios? We have new love. Some of y'all have new love coming in. True gem. This could be a rare find, whoever this is. Okay, so this could be a person you already know that you're interested in, and y'all could be going out, or this is somebody you haven't quite met yet. Whoever this is definitely a rare find because we got true gem underneath it. This will be a rare find. This will be somebody, you know, it's like a diamond in the rough type of thing, right? It's a person that's of high quality, somebody that is, you know, has values, morals, that type of energy, right? Now you could be this person. You could be somebody's new love interest or new lover, and somebody's looking at you like, wow, like, you know, my, what big, you know, what an amazing personality you have, or I was gonna say, my, what big eyes you have, but some y'all can have big eyes or like animated eyes, but what are you doing? Excuse me, I'm sorry, y'all. I was doing fine before I started recording, and now I'm starting to yawn like crazy. But some of y'all could also be buying some new jewelry, or get like a new rhinestone or a gem or a crystal or a diamond. Some of y'all can make jewelry. Some of y'all are getting like jewelry. You could be gifted jewelry. Okay. Or you could make jewelry or something like that. Okay. All right. What else? My nose is feeling like it wants to run and stuff. Like, sheesh, what is really going on? Let's see. All right, give me a couple more cards. What's coming in for Scorpio?
Ready?
Well, I'll tell you what. Let's do money messages here. What about messages and money, finances? No, you don't need nothing else. You've been eating and snacking and knick-knacking all day. Yep. Messages and money and finances. What's coming in for Scorpio? Money and finances. What's coming in for Scorpio? And then I'll do a separate reading for the other one. What's coming in for Scorpios? Spirit. What's coming in for my Scorpios? Now, I have not uploaded on the other channel yet, but I will upload on there probably. If I don't do it tonight, I'll do it tomorrow, because I hate yawning when I'm recording. So, yeah. I apologize. I hate that I do that. I need to catch up on some sleep. I'm not gonna lie. No snacks. No snacks. No more. It's late. You're supposed to be in the bed. Tell me what's coming towards Scorpio in regards to money, finances, and career. Money, finances, and career for Scorpio. All right. Some of y'all work in like a toxic work environment, so be careful. You could, you know, it could just be the people around you. It could be toxic. Some of y'all could have like something with breathing. So maybe y'all work somewhere. It could be very dusty. It could be like construction work or something like that. Some of y'all may have to wear masks. This also reminds me of like COVID. Like it could be a lot of sick people around and stuff like. I shouldn't have said that word, but it could be like a lot of sick people around and stuff like that. So be careful. We got the spending card. I see y'all spending money, so you have the money because you're spending it, right? But some of y'all need to be careful because you can have some sort of unexpected expense that comes about as well. Some of y'all, the place that you work, it could be toxic because they always expect you to spend money, or I don't know, like it's some sort of bad habit or something. Like maybe, like I remember when I used to work at Ross, like I would work there and make a check, but the check would go right back to Ross because I liked the clothes from there. So like I would end up shopping. So that could be significant. All right, what else is coming in for Scorpios? Money, finances, and career. What else is coming in for Scorpios? Money, finances, and career. We have cryptocurrency. Some of y'all can make money online. You could be doing stocks if you're interested in stocks and stuff like that. We are hiring, job search. Some of y'all could be applying for a job online as well. You could make money offline or online. You got money coming in that way with cryptocurrency. Something about stocks or some stocks and bonds or something to do with online currency. So this gives me like, like PayPal. What's that other thing? Maybe you're paying a bill or something. Or you could be, sometimes they give you like points and stuff. I know like Children's Place, they give you like points and stuff when you're shopping there. So something about that could be significant. Okay, what else is coming in for Scorpio? What else is coming in for Scorpio? Something, y'all could be paying for something like in a different country or something like that. Like something about US dollars to, I don't know, European dollars or something like that. Like something like that could be significant. What's coming in for Scorpio? What else is coming in for Scorpio, Spirit? What else is coming in for my Scorpios? We have negotiate, okay? So y'all could be negotiating something with somebody. This could have to do with some sort of money because we got money tree at the bottom of the deck. So y'all could be negotiating pay, negotiating some sort of business contract. You and a person could shake on something or shake hands. Again, toxic work environment. So some of y'all need to be careful with, shaking hands and passage or something about that could be significant. What else is coming in for Scorpio? Money, finances, and career. What else is coming in for my Scorpios? Money, finances, and career. What else is coming in for my Scorpios? Money, finances, and career, please. All right, what else is coming in for my Scorpios? Money, finances, and career. What else is coming in for my Scorpios? Money, finances, and career. We have overspending. Some of y'all need to be careful because you can overspend. Okay, micromanage. Some of y'all may need to manage your money better. Okay, make sure you're not overspending as well. Like you may need to do, check receipts, check price tags, look at the price tags and be like, okay, like this may be too much or this may be too expensive or this, maybe I should look for something on sale. Something like that could be significant. Because if not, you could end up overspending, Scorpio. So let's get your fortune cookies and then I'll end it off there. And then I'll do one more reading. That reading may be uploaded for in the morning, just depending if I fall asleep while I'm uploading. Okay. But I promise this weekend I'm going in on readings to make up. Let's see. All right, last few messages for my Scorpios. Last few messages for Scorpios. Last few messages for Scorpios. All right, we have personal riches. Small successes are likely now, and bigger ones are on the way. Finances can improve dramatically, but avoid get rich quick schemes. So make sure you're not trying to do get rich quick schemes, okay? And you could be having small successes. Things could be working out for you. It may be small victories, but celebrate those. Those are good things, okay? Bigger ones are to come in the future. What else is coming in for Scorpios? All right, we have tough and trying times. Tough times ahead. Think long term and make decisions accordingly. Avoid negative people at all costs. Remember I said something about a toxic work environment? Some of y'all need to be careful of that. Okay? Some of y'all could be going through some tough times or things may seem tough. Think long term. Don't think like quick gratification, type of thing. Think long term. Okay. What else? Coming in for Scorpio. What else is coming in for Scorpio? And then we also have assert yourself. Go for what you want. The time is right for soulmate connections. Birth of a child is also likely. There could be news about a pregnancy, okay, or a birth of a child. Spirit wants you to take the initiative in some sort of way. Go for what you want. If you want to go out and meet people, go out and meet people. If you want new love, go towards new love. Don't keep, I want to say refiltering the past. or something like that, go towards new love. Okay, if you want to go towards somebody, go towards somebody. We got jealousy. Watch who you trust with your personal secrets and plans. Spend times outdoors with nature to reconnect and replenish. Some of y'all also be careful with who you're telling your business to, because you got people that's jealous of you. Okay, some of y'all need to get outside if you can. Plant your feet in the ground type of energy. But Scorpio, I'm going to leave this one here. I hope this gives you clarity and insight. Appreciate y'all so much watching. Catch y'all on the next one. Bye, y'all.